नमस्कार एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फार्माकोपीडिया। तो जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि नेम रिएक्शंस की सीरीज स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। तो नेम रिएक्शंस में अब तक हम लोग ने क्या क्या पढ़ा है? अब तक हम लोग ने एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शंस इन एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन पढ़ लिया है, वुल्फ-फिशनर्स रिडक्शन रिएक्शन एंड द क्लेमेंशन्स रिएक्शन। Okay, so in today's video I'll be talking about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So Friedel-Crafts reaction is also one of the most important reactions of chemistry and it is of two types. That is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction जिसमें alkyl group is substituted on the benzene ring, and the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction in which the acyl group or the acetyl group is substituted on the benzene ring. But this video is based on the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Moving ahead to the reaction. Okay. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, what happens is the benzene ring reacts with CH3Cl and it is known as chloromethane. It reacts with chloromethane in the presence of AlCl3. And what is AlCl3? It is aluminum trichloride and it acts as a Lewis acid. That is, it will be in a search of an electron. इसको electron की जरूरत है. Okay, so when we heat this, it forms toluene. And what is toluene? When the methyl group is attached to the benzene ring, it is termed as toluene. Okay, so before explaining the mechanism, I want you to know the basic properties of the benzene ring so that you understand the mechanism well. तो जो सबसे पहला आपके सामने जो क्वेश्चन आता होगा वो ये है कि ये बेंजीन किस तरह का रिएक्शन शो करता है and why only the methyl group is attached to the benzene ring. Okay, so moving ahead to the first question. So this is the benzene ring and according to Kekulé, benzene consists of alternate double bond and each carbon consists of one hydrogen. Okay. So also you know that कि benzene की एक speciality that it shows resonance. And what is resonance? Resonance is the delocalization of the pi electron. Delocalization of pi electrons. And what does it means? It means that the pi electrons are loosely bonded in the it is loosely bonded in the benzene ring and it is being moving in the ring. Okay, so when we are drawing the resonating structure of benzene, it is something like this. It represents the movement of the pi electrons in the benzene ring. ओके, सो इसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस हुआ? इसका सिग्निफिकेंस ये हुआ कि बेंजीन किस तरह का रिएक्शन शो करेगा, बिकॉज बेंजीन इज ऑलरेडी हैविंग द लूजली बॉन्डेड पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सो इससे वही ग्रुप जुड़ेगी जिसको इलेक्ट्रॉन की जरूरत होगी. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन की जरूरत किसको होगी? इलेक्ट्रॉन की जरूरत इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स को होगी. एंड व्हाट आर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स इज एनी ग्रुप दैट इज इन अ सर्च ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन और electron attracting group. We are representing it with E plus. Okay, so इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन की जरूरत है और इसकी जरूरत को कौन पूरा करेगा? बेंजीन, because benzene is having the loosely bonded pi electrons and therefore the benzene is giving the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, because electrophile is attached to the benzene ring, therefore it becomes electrophilic. And why it is substitution? Because carbon already 4 bond form कर चुका है. इस वजह से अगर electrophile को carbon से attach होना है, then it needs to remove the hydrogen. Okay, so the electrophile is substituting the hydrogen from the benzene ring. Therefore, it is termed as electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So benzene किस तरह का रिएक्शन शो करता है? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, सो here when we are talking about the chloromethane, so chloromethane में chlorine is more electronegative, so it is having partial negative charge and CH3 is having partial positive charge. Okay, so now this H plus will be going with this Cl forming HCl and this CH3 will be in the form of carbocation or it will act as an electrophile and therefore it will attach to the benzene ring and that's why the CH3 is only attached to the benzene ring. Okay, so moving ahead to the mechanism of reaction. Okay, so I have written the reaction over here so that you don't get confused. So remember that the benzene ring will not react with this CH3Cl directly. Instead, this CH3 plus AlCl3 forms AlCl4 minus. Why? Because the AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, so इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन की जरूरत है और इसकी जरूरत को कौन पूरा करेगा? क्लोरीन. Chlorine will be giving its electron to the AlCl3. As a result, what it forms is AlCl4 minus, generating the electrophile. And this CH3 will be acting as an electrophile. Okay. So now please understand the mechanism carefully. 3 plus. So if this electrophile wants to attach to this benzene, then it needs to generate the negative charge over here, because carbon is already forming the 4 bonds. Okay, so what happens is when this electrophile attacks this position, what happens is this bond breaks, or you can say that this bond is shifted over here, or this bond gives its electron to this carbon. As a result, what it forms is there is a negative charge over here and a positive charge over here, and now this electrophile will be attached at this position, because this carbon has also given its electron to this carbon. That's why then there will be a positive charge on this carbon, there will be a negative charge on this carbon. Now this electrophile will be attached at this position. So further what we get is CH3 and will give plus. So it is not stable. Okay. So to stabilize this positive charge, to neutralize this positive charge, this bond will be shifted over here, or this bond will be giving its electron to this carbon. Sorry for that. And now there will be a positive charge, because this carbon has given its electrons to this carbon. There, that's why there will be a positive charge on this carbon. Now to neutralize this positive charge further, this bond will be shifted over here, resulting the positive charge over here and the CH3. Now इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को तो इस बॉन्ड ने न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया था, इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इस बॉन्ड ने न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया था, बट इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए कोई भी बॉन्ड्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज इन फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन देयर इज अ incomplete resonance, and this incomplete resonance is denoted like this. Okay. So further, to stabilize the compound, what happens is, you know that this carbon is having the hydrogen also. So I will be representing it like this. I am representing this positive charge like this, and there will be an hydrogen over here and CH3 over here. Now this hydrogen will be sacrificed. Okay. Now this hydrogen will be sacrificed, and this hydrogen will be removed in the form of H plus. Further, what happens is this AlCl4 minus, and then this H plus will be gaining this Cl minus to form HCl plus AlCl3. Because this hydrogen is removed in the form of H plus and leaving behind its electrons over here, and that's why now this carbon will be giving the electrons to this carbon, neutralizing the positive charge. As a result, toluene is ultimately formed. Okay, so this is all about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, benzene reacts with CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3. AlCl3 acts as Lewis acid to form toluene. Okay, so now when we are talking about the mechanism, I am revising it again. First of all, CH3Cl plus AlCl3. Because AlCl3 को electrons चाहिए, तो वो CH3Cl से अपना electrons देगा, and then it forms AlCl4 minus, generating the electrophile. Now, when the electrophile wants to attach to the benzene, so it needs to generate a negative charge over here. Okay. So it attacks this. As a result, this bond is giving its electron to this carbon, resulting in the formation of negative charge over here and the positive charge over here. As a result, what happens is CH3 gets attached to this carbon, generating the positive charge. Now to neutralize this positive charge, this bond is shifted over here. Now to neutralize further this charge, this bond is shifted. Now to neutralize this positive charge, the hydrogen is being sacrificed, or hydrogen is being removed in the form of H plus ion. Now this H plus ion and this Cl minus ion together forms the HCl, leaving behind the AlCl3, because AlCl3 is a catalyst, so it will remain as such in the reaction. Okay, ultimately it leads in the formation of toluene. Okay, so this is all about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and I hope that the video is clear to you. And yes, in case of any queries, do ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you. And yes, if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Pharmacopedia, and also press the bell icon so that you never miss the video from Pharmacopedia. Thank you.